Guys, having spent 3 good years in Europe, another continent that is far away from my own birth continent, which is Africa, I can tell you for a fact and for free that relocating abroad is blissful. Of course, there will be challenges, and that is not what I'm here to address. But the opportunity to move abroad in itself is it just provides you with so much rest of mind, peace of mind, opportunities. The fact that you can actually live in a country that is sane, you get paid for your value, for your worth. You get good jobs, you see life, exposure, you're open to beautiful, amazing opportunities. The fact that you even have easy access to other European countries. Living in Europe has been a blessing to me, and it's something that I love so much. You can also move abroad. On today's episode of Yettysplash, I'm going to be telling you about how you can move abroad for free. Hi guys, my name is Yeti. If you're seeing my face for the very first time, you're welcome. On this channel, I share information about thriving abroad, relocating abroad, living and life in the UK, and helping you relocate anywhere in the world. And those of you that are seeing my face for the very first time, please do well to subscribe, like this video, share it. You'll definitely find valuable content here, and you will definitely love it here. Okay. Hi guys, before I delve into today's video, I want to talk to you about Amber Accommodation. Okay, Amber Accommodation is a website for international students looking for accommodation either in the US, in the UK, in Ireland, in Australia, in Germany, and in Spain. Okay, so you want to head over now. There's going to be a link in my description box. You want to click on that link and then head over to their website and see the accommodation for yourself. So they have over 1 million plus beds available to students across the world. They partner with over 800 universities, and they have over 250 cities in which they provide accommodation to people around the globe. So what are you waiting for? And one of the reasons why I would definitely recommend that you go with Amber Students is because of the seamless process of booking accommodation on Amber Students website. Guys, it is very easy. Unlike if you're coming into the UK landlords will be asking you for guarantor form. They'll be asking you for payslip that you don't even have. You're not even started working, and so many other documents that you might not even be able to provide because you're just an immigrant who just recently arrived into the United Kingdom. But with Amber Student, all these conditions are not there. All the stringent accommodation procedures, you will not be meeting any of such. You will just book your accommodation on the website, fill in the form, and they have a dedicated agent that will reach out to you if you need anything. They also provide 24/7 support for people using their services. So if you're looking for accommodation, you're in the UK, the time for you to start looking for accommodation is now. It doesn't matter whether you've gotten your visa, as long as you have it in your mind or in your plans that you're coming to the UK to study and you're a student, then you can definitely book your accommodation on Amber Students website. It's very seamless, it's very easy. Just fill out the form and you're good to go. Okay, so guys, you have to choose Amber Student today. Use the link in my bio. There's going to be an Amber Student link there. Click on that link. It will take you straight to their website, and you have personalized services, help along the way to book your own accommodation. And they have the best of the best accommodation available to international students in the UK and across the globe. Okay, so let's get into today's video. Guys, in 2024, if you want to move abroad, you must have one of the 3 things that I'm about to list to you. Number 1, it's either you have the money. If you don't have the money, then it's either you have the skills. If you don't now have the skill set, then you must have the time to look for scholarship and other methods that can make you relocate abroad for free. That's the honest truth. There is no one that has relocated abroad, either from Africa or from any part of the world, that does not have at least one of the 3 options I've just listed. If you don't have money, ensure that you have skills. Yeah, like your skill to look for jobs with sponsorship. If you don't have money to move abroad, maybe by sponsoring yourself or by paying for your tuition, then ensure that you have the skill set, that is in demand that can enable you move abroad. If you don't have that skill set, then what you need to have is time to make in applications, time to apply, for jobs with sponsorship, time to apply for scholarship that can make you move abroad. You need one of these 3 to be able to move abroad. So my video today is for people that don't have money and that may not necessarily have skills, but they want to move abroad. There are cheaper alternatives, or there are other ways in which you can move abroad for free. So I'm going to be sharing with you how you can easily locate scholarship opportunities, how you can find scholarship opportunities that a lot of people don't know about. that can help you move abroad in 2024. So if this is something that interests you, ensure that you give this video a thumbs up and watch till the very end, okay? We all know that there are several scholarship opportunities that can make students move abroad for free. These scholarship opportunities are quite competitive, right? That is why a lot of people don't want to even put in the effort to apply, because I mean, they're very popular, they're quite competitive, which is not bad. But I'm here to share with you now how you can search for scholarship that a lot of people don't know about. So the very first thing, guys, you want to go on your Google or your browser, whichever browser that you're using, and then you want to type in studyportals.com. okay, once you type in studyportal.com, you want to go on it. You're going to see the website. It says education choice transparent globally, start course search, I'm a student, promote your courses, I work in higher education. So once you see that, you keep scrolling till you get to, you're going to see lots of other opportunities. So scroll to the end of the website, and then you're going to see where it says our portals. Okay, once you get to our portals, you're going to see bachelorportal.com, that has all their bachelor courses, mastersportal.com, phdportal.com, shortcoursesportal.com, distantlearningportal.com, scholarshipportal.com. okay, so that's what you want to click. You want to click on their scholarshipportal.com. So once you click on that scholarship portal, then it's going to show you their website that has to do with scholarship. It will say find scholarships to finance your study. Okay, so once you see that, just keep scrolling, right? It's going to show you that they have scholarship opportunities in Germany, most popular countries like in Germany, in the Netherlands, in the United Kingdom, in the United States. Okay, then once you scroll down, you're now going to see all countries, right? Click on all countries. You will see that they have over 7,209 scholarships in about 228 countries. And the beautiful thing about this website is it is arranged by continent as well. So you see Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, Oceania, and South America. So if your plan is to get scholarship in Africa, then you want to click on Africa. If your plan is to get scholarship in Asia, you want to click Asia. If it's in Europe, you want to do that. North America, Oceania, South America, wherever it is, whatever continent you so desire, you want to click that. They've also arranged these scholarship opportunities by countries. Okay, so let's say we're looking for scholarship opportunities in Europe, for example. If you click on Europe, you're going to see opportunities available. There are 18 scholarships to study in Europe, and then you can click on any of that scholarship available. So depending on what country you're looking for and what you're looking for as well. So it is a very easy way for you to find scholarship, right? This is one way. You want to just take your time. Like I said, if you don't have the money, then you must have the time. Okay, you can't say you don't have money, you don't have time at the same time. You want to move abroad. No, you must be able to sacrifice your time. No one is going to do it for you. So you must be able to sacrifice your time to search for scholarship opportunities. So whenever you're less busy, go to this website and start applying one by one for the scholarship opportunities available. There are over 7,000. Even if you can do 100 applications, you should be lucky enough to get one. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope this video has been very helpful. If you have a question, put it in the comment section. And also, if you're seeing my beautiful hair, it's from GPL Fashion Store on Instagram. So if you're in the UK, you're in the US, you're looking for quality hair, then you really need to shop from GPL Fashion. Okay, so guys, thank you all so much for watching my video. If you've watched till this end and you haven't subscribed, why have I done to you? Why? Please do well to subscribe, like, and share this video with your family and friends. And I'm sure that you found value here. They will also find value here. So thank you so much. This is still your girl Yeti. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Yettysplash. Take care. Bye, guys.